Expensive plumbing repairs usually come down to three things: the cost of specialized labor, the price of parts and materials, and the amount of time it takes to diagnose and fix the actual source of the problem instead of just the symptom. When you explain this to a customer, breaking down exactly where their money is going helps them understand the price isn't random. Think of a plumber like a doctor for your house. When a pipe bursts or a drain backs up, the visible problem is just the tip of the iceberg, and the real issue might be hidden behind a wall or under a foundation. Plumbers have to use cameras, pressure tests, and years of training to figure out what's actually wrong before they can even start fixing it. Something most people don't realize is that a big chunk of the bill covers licensing, insurance, and the tools needed to work safely with water and gas lines, not just the time spent turning a wrench. Another detail that surprises homeowners is that many plumbers charge more for emergency or after-hours visits because they're rearranging their entire schedule to help you right away. If you want to keep costs down, always ask for a written estimate before any work begins, and ask if there's a cheaper repair option instead of a full replacement. One common mistake is assuming every plumber charges the same rate, when in reality, prices can vary by 30 to 50% depending on experience and location, so getting 2 or 3 quotes is always smart. Another misconception is thinking a quick fix now will save money later, but patch jobs on old pipes often lead to bigger and more expensive repairs down the road. People also forget to ask whether the price includes parts, labor, and cleanup, which can cause confusing surprises on the final bill, so always ask for that breakdown up front in writing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.